Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So happy new year everyone. So on today's vlog I'll be doing a New Year's Eve makeup look for a lazy people like me. So because you know guys, if you know, doing makeup is taking forever, so I'll be creating a New Year's Eve makeup look for a lazy person like me. So I already did moisturizer and primer onto my face, and now let's go ahead proceed to the first step. We're gonna do the foundation. Oh, hinihingal ako because I do work today. I'm running out of time, so we'll see if I'm gonna make it. So all right, let's move on to the next let's move on to the first step. So guys, this is I'm using for my foundation, this one. And what I did, I'm just gonna dump this foundation. I just used a little bit, one pump, because this foundation is like cover really good on my face, so I'm just gonna dump it here into my face like that. And I'm gonna start blending it, and then I'll be using this brush guys, and we'll start blending it to my face. I love this foundation. Blend it like that. It's look like very white onto my skin after I apply it, but it doesn't look like that, maybe because of the lightning that I'm using. So this is how it's look like guys. And done with the left, and let's go ahead and do the other side. By the way guys, this foundation is amazing. Really nice foundation. So again, I'm just gonna blend it together. Like that. Like that guys. I love this foundation. Really nice foundation though. Okay, so we're done with the foundation. Let's move on to the next step. Okay, I did my eyebrows off the camera guys. Save time because I do work today. I'm running out of time. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. So let's move on to the next step. So what I did, I'm gonna grab a powder foundation. This is the powder foundation that I used all the time. So I'm just gonna put on my eyelid like that, all the way to my eyebrows. Like that, and the other side. This makeup look, normally this is what I did all the time when I wanna do filming, and I don't wanna put too much makeup on, just like a lazy makeup thing. So this is normally what I did. So done. Okay, so I'm done with the, normally I'm just gonna add a little bit color on my eyelid, and I'll be using this bronze. I'm just gonna use the same brush, and I just want to add a little bit bronze on my eyelid like that, something like that, to add a little bit shimmer on my eyelid, and the other side too. That. And next, by the way guys, I'm going to put in my lower the same, the bronze. I love using the bronze when I'm lazy. It's just a little bit add extra shimmer in my eyes. The other one too. Like that. Alright, let's move on to the next one. So next guys, I'll be using the bronze again. So I'm just gonna do that and put a little bit on my corners of my face, just to add shape on my face, because you don't wanna, after you put foundation, you notice it that your face is flat. So I'm just adding or creating shape on my face, forehead, this side too, this side too. So that's good enough. I like using bronze here on my cheeks like that. So like that. So alright, let's move on. Next is I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes, and the other side too. After I curl my eyelashes, I'm gonna put a mascara on my eyelashes. Okay, let's put mascara. I'll be using this Big Echo from Tarte. I love this mascara. It's really nice mascara. So let's put to our eyelashes. Like that. Okay, let's do the lipstick. I'll be using this Maybelline matte liquid lipstick in the shade 115 Founder. This is my favorite lipstick. So I'm just gonna apply it onto our lips. Ganda ng kulay. So again guys, happy new year everyone, and this is how I did my very simple makeup look for New Year's Eve. So I'm gonna go, I have to work. So thank you so much for watching everyone, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.